I can run also in here. Not carefree, right? So I'm going to Sokoan first, because later I'll go to Yoshowan. Nobody wants to go to Sokoan. 12:50. The sailing stage. No. It's only 12:10. I don't have a choice. I need to go to Yoshowan. How cool is that? You just pay there.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you.
You remember you have to get your mom these, remember?
Excuse me. One corn, please. Thank you. So guys, this is the starting point going to the hidden beach, and I just walk through this way. I just show you just in case you missed that. So here it is. Sit and relax, but there's still a view downstairs, and I will show you there. Yeah, that's the beach in there. It's hidden though. Yeah, but we didn't go there before. It's on the other side. I'll just sit in here first and just relax before I go down, because it's too hot really. Well, let's appreciate the quietness of this place, where obviously I'm alone. Okay. So starting from here, we'll go this way. Oh, mayroon na palang galing sa baba. Ibig sabihin may mga tao na dun sa beach. Actually, I forgot the way also. Where is it? Oh my goodness. Oh no. I think it's this way. Oh yeah, this way. It's the right way. So it's the... Oh shit, it's the wrong way. No. Go back again. Oh my god. I'm lost, guys. Well, I'm already here. I don't know what that is, but it's already broken. It looks like a small house. It's not finished yet. Construction, I mean. Oh well, they come here by boat and I come here by hiking. Oh la la, they're all boys. Oh, never mind. I thought I'm alone here. Anyway, I'm heading on this side because it's too hot. Hello guys, as you can see, I'm all alone here. So obviously solo. I'm going solo, and I can run also in here. carefree, right? And I love this place. Where you can be by yourself sometimes because you need it, especially when so many things going on in your mind. This is a perfect getaway for your problems also. And later, what time is it now? It's almost 6 o'clock and I still have to go hike because I cannot ride that. I have a drone companion. There you are. Where is it? Can you see it? It's upstairs. Okay. So bye guys. Have fun and keep safe always.